Good morning, students. We are doing EVS part 1, and as you know, we are continuing the lesson 14, that is transport. Today we are going to discuss the remedies for reducing air pollution. And I am your teacher, Mrs. Nutan Milind Karadikar from Father Agnel Technical High School. See the slide shown on your screen? You see a car emitting smoke. We should try to buy cars which have greater fuel efficiency. Taking public transport instead of going in a car will save our money as well as crowding of the vehicles on the road. Taking a bus or carpooling also is advisable at such times. Timely maintenance and repairs of vehicles should be done by the owners. This is how we can help in making the air pollution less and buying vehicles which are eco-friendly. Now see the next slide where I have tried to show you a bicycle, and I have shown you many people riding on the bicycle, school going boys, college boys riding bicycles. Why should you ride a bicycle? We have already discussed about the advantages of using a bicycle. First is less crowding of vehicles on the streets, and important thing is our physical exercise is done. We can carry small loads on the bicycle, and bicycle does not cause any pollution because it does not use any fuel. We are self-reliant. We save time by using bicycles, and it can be stored in small space. We can save money also, which is wasted on buying petrol and diesel, which is very costly nowadays. Let us move on to the next slide. Now here are certain fuels which I have shown you, which is called as LPG and CNG. Why should we use this LPG and CNG? Because it saves our nature. How does it save our nature? These fuels are eco-friendly. These fuels does not cause much of pollution, and many cars now use the CNG cylinders on which the cars run. Our cooking gas also is connected by this gas, LPG gas. The next slide is about planting trees. Now, how can you reduce pollution? First of all, we have already seen that we should walk or take a bike or bicycle, and we should always use bicycle for short distances. Then we should use public transport. Then next is we should take a bus or carpooling, and we should buy cars that have greater fuel efficiency. One more thing we can practice at home is that turning off lights and electrical appliances when they are not in use. Using energy efficient lights and bulbs and appliances at home. We should avoid burning leaves and trash and other materials which causes smoke and pollution in the air. Now, the major reason for reducing the air pollution is a tree plantation. What do you see in the picture? Planting trees and shrubs in the cities and villages. Making a green world around. Let's move to the next slide where I have shown you which trees we should plant. We should plant indigenous or local varieties of trees like the banyan tree, peepal tree, neem, karanj, and caring for them. We should care for those trees, not just plant and leave them, but we should take care of those trees. These trees adapt easily to the local environment and help in enhancing the biodiversity. Now let's move on to the next slide. Now this is a car shown in the picture, but what is written there? What kind of car is this? This is electric car. This is the future of India, or you can say of the world. Tata Motors have already started manufacturing electric cars. These cars run on batteries which has to be charged at particular point. They don't use LPG or CNG also. You have to charge these vehicles for some time at the charging points and then run these vehicles especially in the cities. Nowadays Mumbai has also launched this kind of vehicles. You can see in the city bus in Mumbai city there are buses which runs on electrically charged buses. Tata Motors delivers e-buses in the Mumbai. 26 units of Tata Motors Ultra Urban AC have been delivered as a part of larger order of 340 electric buses issued by Bruhan Mumbai Electric Supply and Transport. They are equipped with lift mechanism for ease to access for specially able passengers also. Now you see there are many buses running around which are AC buses, as well as they are charged at some electric points and they are used. This is electric car or train also shown here, which runs on electricity. The next slide, I have tried to show you that we have to use fuels like CNG to reduce the air pollution. Now see the picture. Whenever it is a green world, the earth is happy and satisfied. But if there is no trees around, no green leaves around, what happens to the planet? The earth cries because it cannot maintain the biodiversity, it cannot maintain the oxygen level, and because of no trees there is no wildlife. Because of no trees there is lot of pollution. Harmful gases increase, the level of harmful gases in the air increases. So we should try to plant more trees, take care of more trees. These are the remedies that we can adapt ourselves in reducing the air pollution. Now let's move to the next slide. We travel by ship, and in previous times, in olden days, people were using this kind of ships which is shown on your screen. Now what is difference in this ship? In olden days, ships do not use such engines. There were no engines on the ship. They had sails which helped the use of the force of the wind. Now why these sails are made on the ship? Because they use the force of the wind. They harness this wind energy for moving the ship forward. They were called as sailing ships. In those days, people traveled all over the world on these ships. So these ships are very important because they are eco-friendly and we are using wind energy and the ocean currents to move the ship ahead. Now, this is the end of the chapter that we were doing. Transport we have done in 2 parts, and we have also suggested some remedies for reducing air pollution. Please like and subscribe to my channel Nutan's Academy and hit the bell button so that you get further notifications of my videos. Thank you all. Bye. Be safe indoors and take good care of yourself.